Hello, I'm Kent with Easy Test Pools out of Plastown, New Hampshire, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things you need to know before excavating an in-ground swimming pool. Alright, so no matter what kind of pool you got, whether it be a gunite pool, a steel wall liner pool, a fiberglass, or one of the radiant pools, the first thing you gotta do is start with the hole. Now, especially when you get to the deep end of these pools, you might encounter some groundwater. Now, this requires us to take certain precautions. Alright, so if we do hit groundwater, the first thing we're going to need to do is remove about 1 foot to 1.5 feet of the material and replace it with 3/4 inch stones. This provides drainage and a solid base to start building the pool. Once the stones are installed, we install an underdrain, also called a French drain. And with this, we place a pipe underneath the stone bed and run it to the outside of the pool. Then we install a regular swimming pool pump attached to that pipe, and that's able to pump the water away from the pool into a safe drainage area. Groundwater has to be controlled in order to have a successful installation to take place. The second thing to take note of is the removal of the job material. Once the pool has been dug, there's oftentimes more material than can be spread around and compacted around the pool, and this needs to be removed with a triaxle dump truck. Usually, it'll be able to take about 16 yards per load, and the cost is about $175 to $225 per load. Sometimes, when digging the hole, we often hit ledge or large rocks. Unfortunately, you can't install a pool with ledge and large rocks around, so we need to remove that. We'll end up using a ram hoe at a cost of about $175 to $250 an hour, and this will help break up and remove all of the large rocks and ledge, preventing us from installing the pool. Fourth thing to take note of is the material used to backfill the pool. When backfilling a new pool, a lot of times the existing material may not be suitable for the backfill. When installing a radiant or steel wall pool or fiberglass, you will use a bank or septic sand, and this will allow the material to be hard packed and allow proper drainage. When backfilling your in-ground pool, we would use the crushed stone at a cost of approximately $395 to $495 per load. The final thing to take note of is the grade or the height of the pool. It's really important to have good communication between the builder and the homeowner, and remember that it has to be level in the backyard. The height of the pool determines the retaining walls are needed on the project, and sometimes surface drains may need to be installed to route the water around the pool. Swimming pool should never be positioned to act as a dam, and we have to make provisions to make sure the pool has been positioned at the correct height given the challenges of the landscape in the yard. That was 5 things you need to know about excavating a pool. Thank you for your time. I hope it was educational. And this is Kent from Easy Test Pools signing off.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Or click the bell notification to ensure that you're receiving our most updated content. And as always, thanks for watching.